Hey, what's up guys? Anyways, Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to get the new MagSafe UI wireless charging animations that Apple announced with the brand new MagSafe wireless charging on their iPhone 12 announcements. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this right now. It doesn't matter if your device is an iPhone 8, an iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPhone 10R. If you jailbreak your device, you can get this right now very easily. Now, my jailbreak tutorial will be linked in the description down below, and you can go ahead and jailbreak. Once you jailbreak, you can come back to this video, and in the links in the description, you'll also find a second link, which I want you to open in Safari. So when you click on the link, make sure you open it in Safari, and assuming that you're already jailbroken, make sure you launch Cydia and make sure Cydia is fully loaded and up to date. Once you do that, go ahead and head on back to the link, and right here you want to add this repo. So this will redirect you to open into Cydia to add the source, which contains the package which installs the software for MagSafe UI. So once you refresh your sources, there it is in MagSafe. It is free right now to download, so you can install it again on any device that has wireless charging, obviously. And this will work with any wireless charger. It doesn't have to be the Apple MagSafe charger. It doesn't have to be any specific wireless charger. Any charger and any wireless charging compatible iPhone will be able to do this as long as you have the jailbreak. Now, jailbreaking nowadays is extremely simple. As I mentioned, links will be in the description. This could take you maybe 10 minutes to jailbreak, and you can come back to this video and do this. Once you install the MagSafe UI, there's also an extension in settings here where you can further customize it. You make sure you enable it, and you can use low power colors. So for example, if you're in low power mode and you place your iPhone to charge, it will reflect the colors of the low power mode. So that yellowish color for low power mode will reflect on the UI as well. This is pretty cool. I really like this a lot. This is the actual MagSafe wireless charging animations on your iPhone right now with a simple jailbreak tweak. And by the way, I am using Check Rain to jailbreak, and it is super easy to do it. So there you guys have it. That is how you get the MagSafe wireless charging animations, in case you were wondering. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.